Tired of complicated payment methods? Let's ditch the hassle and pay for Netflix using Gcash. First, unlock your phone and open the Gcash app. Make sure you have enough balance to cover your Netflix subscription fee. Now, from the Gcash dashboard, tap on Pay Bills. Scroll down or use the search bar and type Netflix. Select Netflix Philippines from the search results. You'll now need your Netflix account number. This is the email address you use to log into your Netflix account. Enter your Netflix registered email address into the account number field. Next, enter the amount corresponding to your Netflix plan. Double-check your Netflix plan details to ensure you enter the correct amount. Once you've entered both your account number and the amount, tap on Next. Review the payment details carefully. Ensure the email address and the amount are correct. This is important to avoid any payment errors. If everything looks good, tap on the Confirm button to proceed with the payment. Gcash will then process your payment and you'll receive a confirmation message saying your payment was successful. To verify your payment, you can also check your Gcash transaction history. And that's it. You've successfully paid for Netflix using Gcash.